Dear students of class 8, I am going to start ignition temperature. As you know, it is the lowest temperature when anything starts burning or combustion occurs. This plays major role. Whose ignition temperature is less, it means that is the good one, and that is also inflammable. Otherwise, whatever be the oxygen content is there, if ignition temperature is not given, nothing will burn. This is absolutely correct. Now, come to this thing that is also equally important. This experiment shows that oxygen is much required for combustion. If oxygen is not there, no combustion will occur. Keep inverted funnel over this. Immediately this fire will lit up. Now come to the different type of combustion. One is rapid combustion, which occurs very fast, like the burning of LPG, burning of petrol, burning of dry glass, burning of matchstick, burning of magnesium ribbon. That is the rapid combustion. Now come to the bursting of crackers. It's interesting that ammonium nitrate and KCl, potassium chloride, also some other material, TNG, nitroglycerin, dynamite, all these things are explosive, and in the same extent it gives unpleasant sound. That's why it is called as cracker. Loudness is created and affects on the hearing power, audible power. In this burning, a vast amount of sound comes, loud noise comes. That is the mixture of carbon, sulfur and potassium nitrate. This is the main constituent. Now come to the next type of combustion, that is the slow combustion. Just you have studied in the lower classes that rusting of carbon, 4Fe plus thioSO2 equal to 2Fe 2O3, and brightening shining surface of copper becomes dull. That is due to the corrosion, and corrosion occurs due to the hydroxide as iron, cuprous hydroxide, cuprous carbonate. Now I am coming to spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous reaction which occurs automatically, and heat and light is given out, like the phosphorus. In all living, phosphorus and sodium, these two constituents are such type which need no need of external heat. It means no ignition temperature is required. They burns own self and ends by own self. When the ignition material is finished, just take the sodium burns in the water where the temperature of water is less, and take the example of phosphorus which is present in the bones. In graveyard, generally it is seen that white colored flame comes out from the graveyard. That is due to the P2O5. It means phosphorus exists in the P4 form. When it combines with 4O2, then 2P2O4 5 is formed. That is comes out in the form of white flame. Now the main difference I have told you, an incomplete combustion. Take the example of carbon. Here the carbon first combined with oxygen to make carbon monoxide. That is poisonous. suffocating, and when carbon monoxide again combined with the oxygen, then CO2 is formed. This is the incomplete combustion. Firefighting. This is also very important thing, that for control the fire we can use some substances. Purpose for this purpose are water, carbon dioxide, dry ice, that is also CO2 for, sand, foam, and blankets, etc. Because these compound will make the temperature of fuel below to the ignition temperature. आप जानते हो बिना इग्निशन टेम्परेचर की कोई चीज़ जलेगी नहीं। और मान लीजिए कहीं आग लगी है तो उसका टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई है, अगर उसका टेम्परेचर हम इग्निशन टेम्परेचर से लो कर दें तो क्या होगा, वो चीज़ जल ही नहीं सकती। और यही कारण है कि ये सब चीज़ें ऐसी हैं, जैसे सैंड है, CO2 है, ये H2O है, ये क्या करता है, घटा देता है बर्निंग कैपेसिटी को। और आइए फिर उसके बाद में आई एम टीचिंग यू, this is very important thing in the fire extinguisher which controls the fire, and in each and every school that is must required. Actually in this cylinder NaCO3 sodium bicarbonate and Na2CO3 both are kept here. When clip is on, then automatically NaCO3 will give out the Na2CO3, H2O and CO2. Here H2O and CO2 both are fire extinguisher which will control the fire. Now come, soda acid fire extinguisher. Like the NaSCO3 when reacts with the sulfuric acid, it gives Na2SO4 plus twice H2O plus twice CO2. That is more than this. We are getting a twice CO2. Foam type fire extinguisher. Soda acid, sodium bicarbonate, both are mixed together, and by the nozzle a solution comes which controls the floating substances like the surface of fire, thus cutting off air supply. एक्चुअली ऐसे फोम को डाला जाता है एक्सटिंग्विशर से, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में है ये सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट, जिसकी नोजल जब निकलती है तो अपने आप ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट को घटा देती है और फायर नहीं लगने पाती किसी सरफेस पर।